I'm heading up Jefferson today via Caps Ridge Trail. I have a short window of good weather, so I'm gonna try to get up there as quick as I can, spend some time, and then scoot down before the rain moves in. Don't be fooled by this one. That's one of the hardest trails I think I've ever done. There's almost no elevation gain. It was just traverse sideways across Jefferson, and it's gnarly. You're like post-holing in the middle of the summer through dirt. It's interesting. Go up here, up that, and over to the summit. False peaks up here. Alright, made it up just in time. I'm gonna head over towards Adams over here, down to this little pocket for some shelter. Hang out there for a little bit, see if I can find some snow. So yeah, let's hit it. It's still out here. I'm sure someone can get some turns in on this. We got some nasty weather moving in, it's killing visibility. So I'm not gonna go over the summit. I'm actually gonna go over here around the backside of the mountain down to the trailhead. I'm gonna play it safe. But yeah, the views are beautiful from this spot. This is Six Husbands Trail that I'm on now. This top part's not bad, but right about here where it drops down, that's gnarly. That's like the most difficult trail in New Hampshire for sure. And you gotta be prepared for it, and today is definitely not the day for that one. All right, I'm heading down now. Today was super fun. It's exactly what I was looking for. Some dynamic weather, fun trails, some solitude as well. There's no people out here, so that's always a plus.